guys, welcome to today's video. So today I'm really excited because this is going to be something that I've never done before on my channel. I'm going to create, well, I have done this in one video, but I'm going to create a character makeup look. So yeah, so I was thinking, like, what if SpongeBob had a twin sister? So for a makeup assignment for my makeup school, I have to kind of create a character. And I have to do one from like a stage play. So I'm going to take SpongeBob the musical and create a character from that. So yeah, we're going to start with the eyes and then we're going to work on the face. So I think the first thing that I'm going to do, let's do the eyes first and then we'll do the brows. Yeah, so I'm going to put on my Whish Botanical Face primer. I'm just going to do it, apply it with my fingers. For this look today, we're going to use the Makeup Obsession Be the Game Changer eyeshadow palette. And then the first color we're going to take is this color here, which is called Shape. But first I'm going to apply some tape so I can get a really nice sharp line. This looks weird, but whatever. I have the tape on. Now we're going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Self Glam brush. I'm going to dip into Shape and we're just going to put that right in the crease. So I just did that off camera, just really quick. And I'm going to use my Sephora blending brush just to blend that color. So I have to name this character. I've had a couple good ones, but I really like SpongeBella, so that's what I'm doing. We're going to apply Coach, which is this darker brown. Kind of right below Shape and right in the outer corner. With the other side, with this side from this Anastasia brush, I'm going to take, let's see, what did I choose? I'm going to take Change and put that on the lid. I wanted to do something yellow, but I didn't really want to just put a lot of yellow for the eyes, so I'm just going to use kind of like a light gold shade. Sephora smudger brush, and I'm going to take, let's see, Change again, just kind of put Change right in the inner corner. Okay, so I don't know where my eyeliner brush, my brow brush is, so I'm just going to use this lip. Actually, you know what, I'm going to do my lips first, and then we're going to do the brows. For lips, I'm just going to do the lips first so I can just not really mess up this brush that much. So I'm going to use my NYX lip liner in the color Bloom and just line my lip and fill it in. From my QC Make Academy lip palette, I'm going to take this shade right. I did my eyebrows off camera, and now I think it's time. I don't know, maybe I should. I'm just gonna put on mascara, and then I'll have a picture at the end of the video of the full look with the lashes. So for mascara today, I'm going to use my Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. This mirror. Alright, so now that I'm ready to start doing the face paint part. I'm going to first kind of just do some concealing. So I'm going to use my RCMA foundation palette for that. I'm just actually only going to use my finger for this. So I'm going to first conceal under the eye. And then just start concealing any blemishes that I have. For face painting today, we're going to be using the Graftopian paint wheel. So we're going to use the yellow color. So I'm just going to kind of just do kind of some, just kind of like around the eyes first, and then I'm going to go off camera and finish the rest of the face. Okay, so I think I'm going to start kind of like under the eye and kind of work my way around it. Okay, so I'll be right back after my entire face is done. So the face is done. I'm super excited. This looks amazing. But the thing is, I didn't really get the right yellow. I mean, it's still like a kind of yellow green, which I kind of is okay because, yeah. So now we're gonna start by creating those like green kind of holes that SpongeBob has. So I'm actually going to take one of these and I'm just going to kind of place it anywhere on my face, and we are going to hopefully fill them in. But I don't have green paint right now. It's a while, so I'm going to use some eyeshadow. Hopefully it'll show up very well. So I'm going to use my smudger brush for that, and I'm just going to spray it with my DIY finishing spray. So I don't want to go too dark, but I do want to get a little bit darker than this green yellow. So I think I'm gonna go with maybe, you guys can see it, I hope you can see this one. Yeah, this one right here. So I'm just going to dip my brush into it I'm going to take some of it off on my hand. Oh yeah, and check the color. That one's perfect. It's kind of like a dirty kind of green. So I'm going to do small, medium, or I guess small and medium circles. So I'm going to first use this one. So I think I'm going to go right here first. I don't know if that's too big. One more here, and one more here. Yeah. So I'm going to take this brush just to fill in the green, but I am going. What do you guys think? I don't know. I don't know if I like it that much. Okay, so all of the green dots are done, and as the makeup look goes down, the green dots go bigger. So this one is bigger here, and then on the face there's smaller ones. And then I think we're gonna start by setting everything. We're gonna use my benign translucent powder. To set it, I'm gonna use my Morphe. So for this, I'm gonna press and not swipe. Alright, so I kind of changed the look a little bit. I kind of took away the highlight of the green spots. Well, enjoy today's video and see you guys in the next one. Bye!